Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the some truly breathtaking porch and curb yard landscaping ideas that will transform the front of your home. These ideas are all about adding that wow factors to your curb appeal. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our stunning landscaping tips. Let's start with the basic lush greenery. Lush greenery is the foundation of any stunning landscape. Consider adding vibrant wall maintained plants and flowers to your porch and yard. A mix of colorful flowers and some potted plants can work wonders. Create a cozy sitting area on your porch. A comfortable benches or a couple of chairs with stylish cushions can make your front yard feel welcoming. Add a small table for that morning coffee or evening chat spot. Don't forget about lighting essence. Beautiful porch and yard lights can add a magical touch, especially at night. Standing lights, lantern, or wall placed spotlights can highlight your landscaping. Consider designing a beautiful pathways leading up to your front doors. It could be made of stone, bricks, or pavers, surrounded by flowers or walls, head cage. A well-defined pathway adds elegance to your curb appeal. Inject some artist's flair with garden decors, fountains, creative rocks garden can be visual captive. Choose pieces that resonate with your personal style. Your front door is like the jewel of your home's exterior. Paint it a bold, eye-catching colors that complements your landscaping. A vibrant doors can be a focal point that ties everything together. There you have it, some truly breathtaking porch and curved yard landscape ideas to elevate the front of your home. Lush greenery, a cozy sitting areas, lighting essence, a well-designed pathways, architect's garden decor, and a colorful fountain door are the key elements we have covered today. Give them a true and share its thoughts in the comments below.